And what a great segue into something that's much more like of that deeper rest than to ground ourselves fully, right? So we've explored a little bit about what our stories kind of do for us and how we sort of understand ourselves through our stories. We've also held up a mirror to ourselves through the use of tarot. We've also considered the ways that we show up in relation to the blueprint that the skies kind of impart on us. And now we've sort of landed back into our presence through grounding. So, with that, what I'd like to do is just mute everybody, and I'll take everyone off screens as well. And we'll just do a very brief yoga nidra. So if you haven't already gotten comfortable, go ahead and get yourself comfortable. But I will talk us through that as well. Let's see. So I'm just going to cut the cameras if they haven't already been cut. It looks like just about everyone is off
And off
screen.
screen.
And I'll just mute everyone. Okay, good. All right, so it looks like we have our ambiance set. And if I could just get myself on the screen, that would be great. Can everyone see me? So let me just pin. Excellent. All right, so for the next 15 or so minutes, we're going to step into a gentle state of rest and presence through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is about allowing our body, our mind, and nervous system to settle, to release tension and restore clarity and calm. So we'll begin by laying down or comfortably leaning. You can use a mat, a blanket, or pillows to support yourself. Let your arms rest by your sides with your palms facing up, and allow your legs to fall naturally apart. An invitation here to close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully, noticing the sensation of the ground supporting you, holding you, cradling your body. We'll move through a gentle body scan to bring your awareness fully into the present moment, bringing attention to your toes, feeling them soften, release, moving up to your feet, ankles, and calves, allowing any tightness to melt. Continuing through your knees, your thighs, and your hips, sensing warmth and weight sinking into the surface beneath you. Bringing your awareness to your lower back and abdomen. Noticing expansion on the inhale and softening on the exhale. Move to your chest, shoulders, and arms. Feel the release of tension from your shoulders down through your fingertips. Finally, bring your focus to your neck, jaw, your face, and your scalp, allowing your whole head to relax. Notice your body as a whole, feeling the rhythm of your natural breath, knowing that this is your safe space, your sanctuary for the next few minutes. Now, visualize a place of peace. It could be a forest, a beach, a quiet room, somewhere that makes you feel calm, safe, and held. Here, engage your senses. Notice the colors, textures, and shapes around you. Hear the gentle sounds, whether they be wind in the trees, waves on the shore, or soft music in the distance. Feel the temperature of the air, the surface supporting your body. Inhale the calm and presence of this space, and exhale any tension or worry. And allow this imagery to deepen your sense of relaxation. You do not need to do anything. Simply rest in awareness. Begin to bring awareness back to your body, lying on the ground. Feel the points of contact with the matter floor. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently roll your shoulders and stretch your arms if that feels good. And when you are ready, take one final deep, nourishing breath and slowly flutter your eyes, allowing them to gently open. And as you do, take a moment to notice the calm, clarity, and presence you carry forward from this practice. As you come back into the room, thank yourself for taking this time to rest and reconnect. Carry this sense of calm and centeredness into the rest of your day or your evening. And when you're ready, feel free to come back, share your experience,